Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to a story that will inspire you, motivate you, and help you practice your English listening skills. Today, we are going to talk about the life of a man who started as a small boy from Argentina and became one of the greatest footballers in history. His name is Lionel Messi. Some call him the little magician. Others call him the GOAT, the greatest of all time. But behind all the trophies, goals, and celebrations, there is a real human story full of struggle, hope, family, and dreams. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video, so you never miss more inspiring English learning stories like this. Now, let's start our journey into the life of Lionel Messi. Part 1. Childhood and Early Life. Lionel Messi was born on June 24, 1987, in Rosario, Argentina. His family was simple and hardworking. His father, Jorge, worked in a steel factory, and his mother, Celia, worked in a magnet workshop. They were not rich, but they had love, and they had football. From a very young age, Messi loved the ball. People said that even when he was a toddler, he used to sleep with a football beside him. His grandmother, Celia, played a very important role in his life. She used to take him to matches and encourage him to play. Sadly, when Messi was very young, his grandmother passed away. Messi always points to the sky when he scores a goal to dedicate every success to her memory. But life was not easy. When Messi was just 10 years old, doctors discovered he had a growth hormone deficiency. He was small, much smaller than other boys his age. His body could not grow properly without expensive medical treatment. The treatment cost around $1,000 per month, something his family could not afford. Many people thought Messi's football dream was over. But Messi never gave up. Part 2. The Barcelona Opportunity. Messi started playing for a local club called Newell's Old Boys. He was tiny, but when he had the ball at his feet, he looked unstoppable. He dribbled past defenders like they were not even there. His talent was so special that coaches and scouts began to notice. At the age of 13, Messi's family made a life-changing decision. They traveled to Spain for a trial at FC Barcelona. Barcelona agreed to test Messi's talent, but there was one problem. No one wanted to give him a written contract. Finally, Carlos Rexach, a Barcelona director, was so impressed that he wrote Messi's first contract on a napkin. Yes, a simple napkin changed the life of Lionel Messi. Barcelona also agreed to pay for Messi's medical treatment. The family moved to Spain, leaving behind their relatives, friends, and everything they knew. It was a brave decision, but it gave Messi the chance to chase his dream. Part 3. Rising through the ranks. At Barcelona's youth academy, La Masia, Messi faced many challenges. He was shy, quiet, and still very small compared to others. But when he had the ball, everything changed. His dribbling, speed, and vision were beyond his years. Coaches realized they had a future superstar in their hands. In 2004, at the age of just 17, Messi made his first team debut for Barcelona. It was the start of something magical. Soon, he became a key player alongside legends like Ronaldinho, Xavi, and Iniesta. Ronaldinho, the Brazilian star, even called Messi his little brother and supported him. Part 4. The Golden Era at Barcelona. Between 2008 and 2012, Messi reached unbelievable heights. Under coach Pep Guardiola, Barcelona played beautiful football, known as tiki-taka. Messi was at the heart of it. He scored goals, created assists, and amazed the world. In 2009, Messi helped Barcelona win the treble: La Liga, Copa del Rey, and the UEFA Champions League. He scored in the Champions League final against Manchester United with a famous header. That year, Messi won his first Ballon d'Or, the award for the best player in the world. Over the years, Messi broke record after record. He became Barcelona's all-time top scorer, La Liga's top scorer, and the player with the most goals in a calendar year. In 2012, he scored 91 goals in 1 year, something the world had never seen before. At this point, let me remind you, if you are enjoying this story and learning English, please subscribe and hit the like button. Your support helps us bring more stories like this. Part 5. Struggles with Argentina. Even though Messi was winning everything with Barcelona, things were very different with Argentina, his national team. Many people criticized him for not playing the same way for his country. Some even said he cared more about Barcelona than Argentina. This criticism hurt Messi deeply. He came close many times. In 2014, Messi led Argentina to the World Cup final in Brazil. Millions of fans believed this was his moment. But in the final against Germany, Argentina lost 1-0 after extra time. Won the Golden Ball as the best player of the tournament, but his dream of lifting the World Cup was broken. Later, he lost 3 Copa finals, once against Chile and once against Brazil. But fans begged him to return. And finally, he came back to play again for Argentina. Part 6. Personal life and humility. Outside of the field, Messi is known for being humble and private. He married his childhood sweetheart, Antonella Roccuzzo, and they have 3 sons, Thiago, Matteo, and Ciro. Messi is not a man of big words. He lets his football speak for him. Unlike many stars, he prefers a quiet family life. Messi has also been involved in charity. Through the Leo Messi Foundation, he helps children with education and health around the world. Despite all his fame and wealth, Messi has always remembered his humble beginnings. Part 7. Leaving Barcelona and new challenges in 2021. The football world was shocked. Due to financial problems at Barcelona, Messi had to leave the club. After more than 20 years, he said goodbye with tears in his eyes. It was one of the saddest moments in football history. Messi then joined Paris Saint-Germain, PSG. At first, it was difficult for him. New city, new teammates, new league. But slowly, he adapted and continued to show his brilliance. He won trophies in France and helped PSG succeed. Part 8: The Ultimate Dream. World Cup 2022 in December 2022. Messi achieved what many thought was impossible. At the age of 35, he led Argentina to win the FIFA World Cup in Qatar. It was a magical tournament. Messi scored goals, gave assists, and showed leadership like never before. In the final against France, the match went to penalties after a thrilling 3-3 draw. Argentina won, and Messi finally lifted the World Cup trophy. The whole world celebrated. For many, it proved that Messi is truly the greatest of all time. Part 9: Messi's legacy and move to Inter Miami after the World Cup. Messi moved to Inter Miami in the United States. He joined Major League Soccer, bringing his magic to a new audience. Stadiums filled up. Fans traveled miles just to see him play. Even in the US, where football is not the #1 sport, Messi created a revolution. Conclusion: lessons from Messi's life. Lionel Messi's story is not just about football. It is about believing in yourself when the world doubts you. It is about working hard, staying humble, and never giving up on your dreams. From a small boy in Rosario with a growth problem to the greatest footballer in history, Messi's journey inspires millions of people. And remember, this story is also for you. If Messi could achieve his dream, you can achieve yours too. Whether you are learning English, studying, or working towards a goal, keep moving forward. Thank you for listening to this story. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with your friends who also want to learn English through stories. See you next time.